Hey everyone, welcome back to Chel's Treasures. Today I'm taking you with me on our November 2024 coastal escape. A slow, simple day with friends, good food, and moments that felt quietly special. The day started differently than usual. My car was still in the repair shop, so instead of driving, we took the bus. We got off in Calamba to meet our friends, and before heading to the beach, we made a stop at their family's duck farm. It's a place with its own charm, the kind that instantly slows you down. Just follow your heart. So many dreams are waiting for you. Sing, hey, it's okay. Tomorrow's gonna be a new day. It's okay. So live your life, live your way. Your way, your way. It's okay, it's okay. Then we continued our trip to Bless Amare Sunrise Beach Resort in Baliangao, Misamis Occidental. The moment we arrived, the sea breeze, the soft waves, and that wide open horizon welcomed us. There's something about the ocean that always feels grounding. For lunch, our friends and their family prepared a beautiful spread. Lechon belly, grilled fish, grilled pork, seafood, and all the Pinoy favorites that just hit differently at the beach. Hey you, I know sometimes things may seem unclear. Trust yourself and you will know, my dear. Food tastes better when you're surrounded by good company, and even better with the sound of the waves. It's not easy, nothing is. Hey, it's okay. We spent the rest of the afternoon relaxing, talking, and just soaking in the view. It was slow and simple, but sometimes those are the days that stay with you the longest. On the way home, we made a quick stop at Bulawis Resort in Calamba to visit another friend. We shared some refreshments and enjoyed a quiet break before ending the day. I also picked up some bring home treats from Calamba, moron and pan bisaya. That traditional bread cooked the old way over fire, the way it's always been done. And that was our November 2024 trip. Simple, warm, and full of little joys. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chel's Treasures for more adventures and everyday treasures. Bye!